When you begin to imagine the possibilities hidden within a single log of wood, you start to realize that nature itself has already given you a canvas, and it only requires your hands, your creativity, and a spark of vision to turn it into something extraordinary. Profitable logwood crafts, especially sculpting unique garden lights and outdoor decor, are not just projects to pass the time, they're opportunities to transform raw, rustic materials into stylish treasures that illuminate not only gardens, but also lives. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of logwood creations ideas for garden lights and outdoor decor that sell fast. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The beauty of logwood lies in its imperfections. Every knot, every curve, every grain pattern is a reminder of nature's story, and when harnessed with care, these very details become the foundation of one-of-a-kind designs that people crave in today's decor market. Imagine walking into a garden where logwood lamps scatter pools of golden light across pathways, rustic candle holders line a deck with soft glows, and hand-carved sculptures breathe personality into the outdoor space. These creations are more than decoration. They're extensions of lifestyle, expressions of individuality, and symbols of sustainability that resonate with homeowners who want to make their living spaces feel both stylish and connected to nature. The journey of crafting profitable logwood decor begins with safety and respect for the material, because even the most creative idea can only shine when approached with careful planning and responsible craftsmanship. Setting up a safe, organized workspace outdoors is a critical step, not only to protect yourself while handling tools, but also to ensure that your environment allows your imagination to flow freely. A clear, uncluttered area gives you room to experiment, while proper protective gear, gloves, goggles, and steady work surfaces gives you confidence to sculpt without hesitation. This mindset of balancing safety with creativity is what elevates woodworking from a hobby into something more purposeful. Once you start treating your workspace as both a creative sanctuary and a professional studio, you begin to see how each piece of logwood you touch has the potential to be more than firewood. It can become a lamp that transforms a garden corner into a magical retreat, or a rustic centerpiece that makes an outdoor dinner feel unforgettable. What makes logwood crafts particularly powerful in today's market is their dual role as both functional and aesthetic. Garden lights crafted from logs are not just rustic decorations. They provide utility by illuminating spaces in ways that manufactured plastic products cannot replicate. A log lamp with visible bark, carved carefully to house warm LED lighting, offers an organic charm that modern buyers are drawn to, especially those who want eco-friendly solutions in their homes. These pieces sell not only because they are useful, but also because they tell a story. When a buyer sees a handcrafted lamp made from reclaimed logs, they don't just see a light, they see the hands that shaped it, the tree that once stood tall, and the effort to bring sustainability into design. This emotional connection is the reason why handcrafted logwood decor is in such high demand, and why it has the power to generate real profit for those who pursue it seriously. Every person, regardless of whether they are an experienced craftsperson or a beginner with limited skills, can step into this world of profitable logwood projects. Unlike highly complex woodworking that demands precision measuring and advanced joinery, many logwood crafts embrace the natural shapes of the material, meaning that imperfections are celebrated rather than corrected. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. A hollow log becomes a lantern holder, a thick slice becomes a rustic base for a candle light, and a slender branch may become the stem of a sculpted outdoor lamp. The simplicity of working with natural forms allows even beginners to produce unique and sellable items without the intimidation of traditional carpentry. What truly matters is the willingness to see beyond the surface of the wood, to recognize beauty in roughness, and to let creativity guide the process. As you sculpt and experiment, something remarkable happens. Your outdoor workspace evolves into more than a crafting station. It becomes a garden of ideas where imagination meets practicality. By organizing tools efficiently, keeping raw materials close at hand, and setting aside areas for sanding, carving, and finishing, you create a rhythm that allows you to flow from one project to another without friction. This organization not only boosts safety, but also builds consistency, which is essential when crafting for profit. Customers value reliability as much as they value creativity, and when your process is smooth, your finished pieces reflect professionalism that attracts buyers. Profitability in log wood crafts does not just come from the sale itself, but from the unique identity you build around your creations. In today's market, buyers are not simply searching for mass-produced decor. They want items that feel personal, items that bring warmth and authenticity into their homes and gardens. A handcrafted log lamp or outdoor decoration becomes a conversation piece, something that makes a guest ask, "Where did you get that?" This curiosity creates natural word-of-mouth marketing, which is one of the most powerful forms of business growth for independent crafters. When your pieces resonate with people emotionally, they are not just willing to buy, they are eager to share, to recommend, and to return for more. The profitability of sculpting garden lights and decor from logs also extends into its eco-conscious message. By repurposing logs, fallen branches, or reclaimed wood, you are turning what many people might see as waste into lasting treasures. This resonates deeply with modern buyers who are becoming more aware of sustainability and who want their purchases to reflect their values. This combination is what elevates your projects from amateur attempts into professional quality products worthy of market prices. Buyers are willing to pay a premium for handcrafted items that feel complete, durable, and unique, and when you master this balance, your craft naturally evolves into a profitable enterprise. Over time, as your skills grow and your catalog of designs expands, what started as a simple hobby in a backyard workspace can transform into a steady business. Each project teaches you something new about wood, about design, and about the people who appreciate your work. Every knot and grain becomes less of a challenge and more of an opportunity to add character to your pieces. And as your outdoor space fills with finished crafts, you begin to see that you are not only creating decor, you are crafting a lifestyle, one that merges creativity, sustainability, and financial freedom. Profitable logwood crafts, especially garden lights and outdoor decor, prove that anyone can build a safe, organized, and inspiring creative space that produces not only beautiful items, but also real opportunities for income. The magic lies in understanding that imagination is not separate from profit, it is the very engine that drives it. When you approach each log with vision and respect, when you treat safety as the foundation of your craft, and when you see every finished piece as a chance to connect with others, you unlock the true potential of woodworking as both an art and a business. What begins as sculpting wood in your garden can evolve into sculpting a new future for yourself, one where your creativity lights not only outdoor spaces, but also the path toward success. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked logwood creations ideas for garden lights and outdoor decor that sell fast. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.